This is event number 7, 50-meter breaststroke for boys, 11 and over, heat number 1. Swimming lane 3 is Cardenas John Mark of SBCC Lion. In lane 4 is Pastoral Cold Age Red of Phil Espada. In lane 5 is Dewilon Ernie of Phil Espada. In lane 6 is Sumagay Saidani of Roy Rosario.
Lagi nga eh. Tilsada na nga yan eh. Bilis anak, 50 lang yan. Bilis mahal. 50 lang yan anak. 50 lang yan eh.
Kalimutan ko yung stock.